Okay, so I don't know if you guys have noticed or not, but the customer experience as far as buying sneakers goes has changed. And for the most part, kind of mid, kind of weak, kind of like ragu tomato sauce, kind of like generic brand potato chips. And for me, I need that satisfaction. I need to have that good buying experience. So that has brought me to Nike by You. You want that customer experience. You don't want to just open the box, see the shoe, and be on to the next one. You want to be anticipating that sneaker getting to you. You can't wait to check it out. My point is that Nike by You has been one of the coolest things for me. It takes me a little while to design it, and then I buy it. Within 2 or 3 weeks, you get the shoe. It's a quick turnaround. So anyway, we got a pair of Air Force Ones here, and they literally just showed up 10 minutes ago. So let's see how these things stack up. I took a risk on this design. It's not something that I would typically go for. I was like, you know what? These colors might not go, or they may be excellent. We're gonna find out. Same elevated Nike by You box, which I really like. It just stands out. All my Air Force Ones are behind me, by the way. I'm gonna be doing an Instagram post. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do that. It's pretty much gonna show all of my Air Force Ones. So let's see what is up. Bingo. Oh boy, they look good. They look good. Check them out. Nike Air Force One Low by me. It's so crazy when you get a pair of these in because you're the only one that sees the design prior. It's not like a Jordan release where they're everywhere and you see all these different pictures and all these different lightings from blogs and people on IG and Twitter, etc. You're the only one that sees these, so you almost just have to take it all in when you get the shoe. Like, I'm just checking them out. Like, so cool, man. So cool. This program is really something that I'm going to put a lot of energy towards this summer because the retail price on them is $115. Now, where did I get that number from? These will hit you for $110. Given the experience and everything that goes into them, $110 is a pretty reasonable price. There's a few things that I want to talk about. Let me get both shoes out of here because this color combination is not something I would typically go for. It was a risk and it worked out. By the way, I'm gonna link the Air Force One Low, the same exact model that I designed, down in the description if you wanna give it a shot. The color options on most Nike by You products are limited. You don't have every single color underneath the sun. I wish you did, but you don't. And it changes. Over the past 6 months, it's been pretty steady with the options that they show you. And I was having fun. Like a year ago, maybe a little bit more, there was some really cool options on there. And I'll show you one of those pairs in a second, and you can let me know if you think that they're better than these. But as of right now, selection is pretty limited. But recently, this pink color popped up. It's called Magic Ember, and it's more of a salmon. It's a really nice spring and summer color. However, you can only use it on the laces, the inner lining, and on the back. So basically that's where I started, and then I went from there. I had a few different designs that were up, and I kind of combined them, where I had this smoke gray, and I wasn't sure how this gray was gonna look in person. It's pretty dark. So what you see on your computer or your phone, wherever you design these, is pretty true. So I combined the smoke gray, the sail, and the Magic Ember, and I was like, all right, I need one more thing to bring this shoe out just a little bit more. What color can I add? So I toyed around with a blue, and then I settled on this complete contrast. This like army green. I forget what the exact shade is that they listed as, but it is this earth tone green. It's not a forest green. It's like almost a little bit more brown. It's different. Everything else is predictable on there. You won't see this color combination from anyone else on the street, especially on a pair of Air Force Ones. So this is my design. Let me know what you guys think about them. My favorite Nike by You my favorite Nike by You Air Force Ones I've ever done are these, and it was just over a year ago that I designed them. There was some different options to where you could mess with the midsole a little bit. You had this really light pink color that you could choose from. The gray was different at the time. Again, this is smoke gray on here, and this is like a cool gray or something along those lines. I just really like this shoe and how it turned out. Let me know down in the comments which one you like better. My newest Nike by You design with the Magic Ember, or these Easter joints that I designed a little over a year ago. Hit the comment section and let me know. If you guys want to see more Nike by You unboxing videos, definitely let me know in the comment section and hit that thumbs up so that I know you like the content. Subscribe if you're new here. So thank you guys for tuning in. I gotta throw these on immediately and see how they look. We got a lot more videos on the way. I appreciate you. I'll catch you next time. Peace.